welcome back to our RC. So I'm so excited to receive this RC 110 scale drift car from Banggood. So I saw Tom Lay RC review about it. So I asked Banggood, "Hi Banggood, can I have one of this?" "Hi Edward, okay, let me have a look. Would you like a kit or RTR?" "Well, RTR of course." Oh yeah, so it's here. Let's take a look inside. Oh my god, that's a pretty nice body shell. It's GT86. Looks really good though. Let's see. There's some plastic accessories like the front bumper and body shell pole. And the car itself. And I think there is maybe an ESC inside here. Oh well, servo 9 kg. The ESC, quite a small size one. This is C-Trix Stock Club Race by Surpass Hobby as well, I believe. Should be according to Tom Lay, this supports 2-cell. The moto, wow, this look quite cool. With banana plug connected. So this is RTR version. RTR version comes with car itself, kit assemble with ESC, motor, and also the servo. So it has the pinion gear. Whereas if it's a kit, I believe it's unassembled, and I believe this is a rebrand of the one released by Hobby King many years ago. And the reason I got it is because I see the knuckle. It seems like there's a potential to make this rear-wheel drive version. So this is currently a 4-wheel drive version. I'll just try with 4-wheel drive first, and then I'll snatch the gyro from my WBL D12 and then put it in here and try to do rear-wheel drifting. Expecting to remove this valve, and also if some accident, this is a front one-way diff, so as you brake, then front wheel will continue to spin freely, but the rear wheel will lock up. So it's like engaging handbrake with actual car, so you can kick the tail out. So excited. Damn it. Very blunt. Yeah. Wow. Is this pink or is this red carbon? Lots of carbon parts and also metal parts. Carbon shock tower, carbon top plate and carbon bottom plate. Carbon rear shock tower as well. Some metal parts over here. Metal shock absorbers. Metal diff. I think you can adjust the toe over here. So lots of metal parts where it needs to. There's even ball bearing on the steering system itself. There's also ball bearing here. Drift tire on all 4 wheels. It's a really nice, I think it's TE, it's quite TE37, right? There's also embossment on the tire wall itself. Max speed technology. Oh, there's this tire profile number 265 20 R21 inch. Crazy, man. And at the bottom, when I'm young, I would dismantle everything and rebuild it to ensure the tolerance is right, so it runs smoothly. So as usual, there's no manual. I have to figure out all this by myself. We'll put this body post on first. Slot over the bumper. And this, I probably do better off camera using countersunk screw. Oh yeah, going in well. And the rear, do note that the body shell pole is different for the front and the rear. This one just slot it in here, like that. You put this clip and this plastic washer with a rough height estimation first, and do the same on all 4. Like that, like that, like that, and like that. Install the 4 screws here for the servo. And notice the orientation, the servo horn has to be further away, so this length is correct. And then you're gonna only secure the servo horn after you have powered up the servo with your receiver, so it's centered before you secure it. Okay, before installing the motor, you have to install the pinion gear first, and that's how I roughly gauge how deep you want to push the pinion gear in. So if I slot it in now, it's aligned well, then I'll adjust the gear mesh and make sure to add Loctite to your pinion gear as well. So this plug and play actually comes with 2 pinion gear. The main content comes with the one with 24 teeth, and in a separate bag there's one with 25 teeth. And it seems like the 24 teeth is just slightly too small, so I'm gonna try 25 teeth. So you gotta install this tree holder with the standard size RC110 battery, perfect fitment. So once you have power up, you can install your servo horn. I've tidied up my wires, it looks bloody nice now. The battery strap, they've given one that's simply too short, which is really idiot. You see, this is the reason why I say this has potential to be a rear-wheel drive drifter. Look at the steering angle. This is very impressive, man. So this is what I mean. After you let go throttle, you'll still continue to go forward under its own power. See? It's still going, and there's no reverse, no brake. Fortunately, I have a programming card. Let's try it. It's supposed for Surpass Hobby, and it's not showing any value. So in the video and picture, it looks like a cheap body shell, but in real, this is actually a freaking good looking body shell, man. It's very glossy, like it has been polished and waxed, and it's seriously fun. It feels like a quality pro kit RC drift car. It's very smooth. I mean, from the video, you may not be able to tell how fun this is. Most of the time I'm only at like 25% throttle, so it's really powerful. It's currently understeer now. I need to adjust the camber, toe and all that. But most of the time you can control it to drift it the way you want. Please go away. So all in all, I'm very impressed with this HNR DFR-01. Very weird name. Feels like a really high quality kit, because you may be able to find a cheaper RC110 cheaper than this, but this kind of setup is a pro kit in the RC110 world with this metal parts and carbon parts. So the chassis is more stiff compared to those plastic buffed up kind of chassis. And this so far runs really smooth, really well. You can definitely feel the high quality of it. And plus it comes with motor, the pinion, ESC and the servo. It makes it very easy for you to get started in this. You just need your battery and receiver and that's it. I'm very impressed, very happy with this kit. I think it's well worth money. The only issue is with the ESC, there's no reverse, and then it still goes forward after you let go of throttle, which is really weird. If you find this video helpful, you can buy me a coffee. Just check out the link in the description, and please like and subscribe.